Nick, look at this. I drew you and it is amazing. Oh, wow, that was fast. Let me see it. I really captured your energy in this one. Why do I look like a tired pirate ant? Wait, this is supposed to be me? Yes, and I worked very hard on your face. No, this isn't me. Why are you falling like that? Oh, that means you're impressed, right?
People say his paintings changed modern art forever.
Okay, I can totally do that too. I knew I was meant for something big. Maybe I was born to paint greatness. Artists need space, color, and dramatic energy. This room is now my studio. Step 1, set up the tools like a pro. Step 2, become a legend by dinner. Hey, do you want to play outside? No, today you're my first masterpiece. Sit there and do not move. I am painting history. That sounds important and a little dangerous. Do I smile or look serious or do something cool? Just keep your face still. I'll do the rest. Art is about courage, not rules. That orange color feels like a bad choice for skin. I am seeing things other people cannot see. I hope one of those things is my real face. My neck is getting tired from being artistic. Pain is part of the creative process. You need more character around the mouth area. What does that even mean for me? This is getting powerful. Done. And I think this one belongs in a museum. Okay, show me the magic. Ha! Why do I have a mustache and long hair? Because art sees deeper than the eye. This does not look deeper. It looks broken. You just do not understand advanced style. You made me look like a confused grandma. No, I made you look unforgettable. I do not want to be unforgettable like this. Then stop having such a complicated face. Why are you two yelling like broken alarms? Because he attacked my face with paint. Stop it! Oh no, Nick, why do you look like a sad uncle? I'm laughing at the painting, not your actual face. Great, now everybody thinks I look ridiculous. I am leaving before he gives me a beard in real life. Fine, go live without culture. Nick was too emotional, but you will get it. That sentence already sounds like a trap. Please sit for one portrait, and I will prove I am gifted. I don't think that's how proof works, but fine. I am doing this once, and then I am free. History will thank you for your patience. Why are you mixing purple into my face? Because regular skin is boring to paint. This one is even stronger than the last one. I already hate how confident you sound. Why do I look like a shocked giraffe? Because your elegance is hard to explain. This is not elegance, this is a crime. You are reacting like someone with no artistic training. Nick and Anna just do not understand my vision. Real artists are always rejected first. These are not weird. They are original. The world is just not ready yet. Great art deserves a gallery. My bedroom is now a museum. I should do the whole family collection. This house is full of artistic opportunity. Maybe Dad needs stronger ears in the painting. And Mom needs more dramatic cheekbones. Tomorrow they will finally understand me. A great artist needs rest.
Tom, wake up! It is morn. Oh my goodness! What happened to these walls?
I call this collection Faces of the Family. That is certainly one way to describe it.
Why does your father look like a sleepy lion?
Because I painted his inner strength. This one is Nick, and this one is Anna, and this one is Dad. I can see why the names were necessary. And this one is my best piece. It is you.
Tom, this is not funny anymore. It is not supposed to be funny. It is art.
I worked so hard for everybody. Why is everyone acting attacked?
Fine, I will paint the one person who should understand me. I will paint myself.
Okay, nose first. That seems safe. No, that nose already looks suspicious.
Why do I suddenly look like a potato with eyebrows? This is getting personal. No way, I do not look like that. You drew it, not me. Maybe Nick wasn't being dramatic. Maybe Anna and Mom were also right.
Okay, gallery closed. Very closed. Sorry, Nick face. Sorry, Anna giraffe face. Last one. Sorry. You all need a little break from me. And I need a break from all of you. I do.
Into the box you go, tiny tools of chaos. We will meet again when I am less dangerous.
So, the great artist retired overnight?
Temporarily, for public safety.
Feeling better now? Yes, and also less talented than yesterday. That's not true, honey. Maybe I am not a great artist yet, but I can still learn. Good, and until then, maybe keep the pain away from our faces.